Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to pair your headphone LG Tone Free Fit with your iOS device. You have to start by open settings and then go to Bluetooth. Now open the charging case and it should enter to prank mode automatically, and we can see it by this LED light. If it's blinking blue, it means that it's entered to prank mode. But if you don't want to enter prank mode, just press and hold on your left or right earbud for at least 5 seconds. So you just press and hold and it should enter to prank mode then. After that, click on your headphones at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!